Hi and welcome back to this channel. My name is Roman, and in this video I will show you how you can build a simple project management Notion template. And we will build a system where you can track your tasks for today, all tasks by project, also plan your tasks on the calendar and track your projects on the timeline view with tasks per project. And on this channel, I share different videos on how you can build different Notion systems. So check it out and subscribe for more Notion related content. And if you're looking for ready-made Notion systems, check out my Grizzly Templates marketplace for Notion systems for your life and business. Let's get started. So let's start by creating a separate page for our databases. So just press a plus key on the keyboard and type databases and go inside. Here we can set some icon, let's say this one. And here we will store all databases that are related to our system. So we will need two databases, one for tasks and another for projects. So let's start with the database for tasks. Just press slash and type database, full page, new empty database, tasks. Here we can add some icon, let's say this one. And the task has name, date, status, not started, in progress, done, priority, and you can add some options, let's say low, medium, high. And for medium we can set color to yellow, and for high, let's say red. And also we can add estimated time of type number. And we can also add a template here, so let's just add icon, a date on the top. Let's move priority up, status up. And we need to set this template as default. And we can create a new database for our project. So just database, full page, new empty database, project. And we can add some icon, let's say this one. And the project has name, start date of type date, end date. And we can also add, let's say, tags of type select, and we can add some options, let's say personal, business. And also the project has status, not started, in progress, and done. And now we can link our tasks to our project. So just add a new property of name tasks and type relation, and we link it to tasks database. And we make it as a two-way relation, and we can name it as project inside tasks. And limit, we don't want to set any limit because projects have many tasks. And just add relation. Now if we go back to our tasks database, here we can update this relation and set a limit to one page, because one task is connected to one project, but project can have multiple tasks. And now if we go back to our databases and to projects, we can add a new template. Let's add some icon. And what we want to do is we want to show all tasks for this project when we click on this project. We can move start date up, status, tasks, and tasks we can hide from here, always hide. And here just add a new heading, tasks, and we can add a new table view. So just slash table view and tasks, new table view, don't show database title, done. And properties, we can hide project from here because we don't really need to show it, we already know it from this page name. Name, date, status, priority, estimated time. And now if we go to filter, we need to filter our tasks by project because we only want to show tasks inside this current project. So we just select this project here and contains new page. And we can rename this to all tasks. And we can also make, let's say, duplicate not started. And we go to filter, add filter, status, not started. And you can make as many views as you need. So for example, for each status or by priorities. And we just set this page as default. And now we can go back to our main dashboard. So let's set this page to full width. And we need to show our tasks, our projects, and calendar for planning. And let's start with the tasks. So just new heading, tasks. And we can make a table view, tasks, new table view, don't show database title. And this first one can be today's agenda. And we go to filter, date, and we select is relative to this day. And we can just duplicate and let's say all filter, and we just delete this filter. And also we can make a board view. Let's duplicate this and we change this. We keep the layout as stable, but we group this by project. And we rename this as by project. And now we can add the calendar for our tasks. New calendar view, don't show database title. Done. Properties. Let's say status, priority, project, and estimated time. And now if we add some task, new task, priority, let's say medium, estimated time, let's say 8 hours. And if we go here, let's show aggregation, and we want to count, and we want to sum estimated time. So this will show estimated time of all tasks for this project. Now we go here and we create a view for projects. So just new heading, projects, and we can add timeline view. Projects, new timeline view, don't show database title, and we set this separate start and end dates and end date as end date. And we just make a new project, start date, let's say today, end date, end of May, status in progress. And we can go to tasks and link our task to this project. So now if we go inside this project, we will see all tasks for this project. And we can also edit this view, properties, show, status, and tags. So yeah, this is how you can make a project management Notion template where you can track tasks for today, all tasks, task per project, also time for this project, plan tasks on the calendar, and also track your projects on a timeline, and also track tasks for this project. And I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a like and follow me for more content related to Notion. And if you're looking for ready-made Notion systems for your personal life and business, check out my Grizzly Templates marketplace for ready-made Notion solutions.